Hi, my name's Dan Logan and I'm from Applied Education. People always asking what's so great about Xero accounting. Why are bookkeepers and accountants moving on to this product? What's it about? So here's just a 2-3 minute overview of this program and where I see the benefits are of considering Xero for your clients. I've logged into Xero.com and they have a demo company and you can set that up yourself for free. The first thing about Xero, obviously being a cloud solution, is that you can access it from anywhere. You've got an internet connection, any web browser. Your client can be in the data file the same time as, say, the bookkeeper is in the data file. So in the past you probably had to email and backwards and forwards and lock data files and so on. With Xero, look, everyone can get in live all the time. And of course there are settings to lock features down and ability of people to be able to edit those things. The first thing though I want to point out is the main dashboard has this reconcile, and the future of accounting software is what's called bank feeds. I mean, programs like BankLink have been doing it for years, but the Xero bank feeds, once it's connected to the person's bank, it's coming straight through, and you can see here is basically the bank statement imported into Xero every day. Now you then go through and create rules, or if you've already entered an invoice, say, and the customer's paid, then you can see here that Xero automatically links up that payment. So rather than having to go in and find the customer, apply it, you're just clicking OK to automatically apply that payment. Of course you can dig deeper and find out more details. Same as your checks. Once I've paid a bill or created an ABA file to upload to my bank software, it's auto mapping to your bank statement. So no longer have you got this lengthy bank reconciliation process. If you still want to go through the long way, and view everything and carefully check what's going on, then by all means you've got your bank statements cache coding where you can go through and check what's happening. Things like sorting. So here's my imported bank statement. I've picked up here, say, a expense. I can select the whole lot and post it through to an expense account in one go. So see, I just coded then 5 expenses in one go. Very fast, very efficient. Really like that feature. Other features that you might like. Let's go back to the dashboard. So let's have a look at some other areas like sales. So under accounts, sales, and also note while that's loading there's inventory under that accounts menu as well. If you wanted to keep a stock perpetual inventory system of things on hand. You have quotes where we can create a new quote or an invoice. One of the benefits with creating quotes, if I click on the new quote there, is that you can use custom themes. Now these themes you create in Microsoft Word. You can have several pages of terms and conditions, and it's all emailed, attached as a PDF as a quote. And you can even customize the email, of course, for a quote email. Now that's all built in the standard package. Some of the other packages, they don't automatically give you the different themes and the flexibility of Microsoft Word to add images and font colors and sizes. Really makes your invoices stand out and quotes. The sales process pretty much the same as all your other packages out there. It's giving you pretty little graphs and so on. So that's a more visual approach, which you're not seeing yet in other packages of how things have been progressing. Payroll, if you pay the extra, I'm not sure the exact amount for the payroll module within Xero, depending on your number of employees, then your employees get access to a portal. They can put in their timesheets. You approve them and then process their pays each period. So this is all done by the cloud, the employees doing it themselves over the internet, really saving you a bit of time in regards to data entry. So payroll, the superannuation, If you want, you can set up through Xero direct debit facility, and you still have to put in a key, and they'll send you an SMS to verify it, so you're processing the super, but it really reduces the time because you're ticking off the employees that you're paying each quarter, and Xero's handling the payments and really dispersing the funds out to the different super funds on your behalf. And it's also complying with the ATO's electronic reporting for super payments. Some other items, probably the apps now, or add-ons as we call them. Xero have made their platform fairly open, so very easy for third parties to create their own custom add-ons into Xero, and this is just going to go crazy, I believe, over the next few years, as every business type has its own unique needs, and these apps are sold that plug into Xero and can feed the data into Xero. Again, once you install these add-ons, depending on the add-on is whether you'll pay for it, again on a monthly subscription base, which is how all these cloud models raise their revenue. You enable that through Xero in your settings, and you'll give those apps access to be able to say upload a sale, a customer into Xero, and you can see there through settings, add-ons, and very easy to do. So look, there's a quick overview of Xero without getting you to log in and have a play, but this cloud pay by the month sort of thing is the future, and access anywhere, anytime to your data. Thanks for listening, and I hope all you bookkeepers and accountants find it useful. And don't forget, Applied Education run Xero Accounting, Xero Payroll courses, and also we have popular Certificate 4 in Bookkeeping course, Certificate 4 in Accounting courses. So visit our website to find out more information. Thanks.